What if I told you there's a way to skyrocket your sales on Amazon without breaking a sweat? Imagine having a tool that works behind the scenes, analysing your data and making the right decisions for you, saving time while boosting profits. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an AI tool that can transform your e-commerce business and help you dominate the Amazon marketplace. Welcome back to InfoX, where we bring you the best tech and e-commerce strategies to help you succeed online. Today, we're focusing on how AI is changing the e-commerce landscape and how you can use it to gain a competitive edge. With this AI tool, you'll be able to automate crucial tasks, optimize your listings, and, most importantly, increase your revenue. First, let's talk about why AI is such a game changer in the world of e-commerce. As an Amazon seller, you're constantly juggling multiple tasks, managing inventory, monitoring competitors, running ads, and analyzing sales data. Doing all this manually can be time-consuming and prone to human error. That's where AI comes in. This tool can handle these tasks for you, providing real-time insights and recommendations based on data that would take a human hours or even days to process. One of the most powerful features of this AI tool is its ability to optimize your product listings. It analyzes what keywords are performing best in your niche, identifies trends in consumer searches, and even suggests changes to your product descriptions and titles to improve your search rankings. This means more visibility, more clicks, and ultimately more sales. You can think of it as your personal Amazon SEO expert working 24/7. Another incredible feature is dynamic pricing. Pricing your products correctly is crucial to staying competitive on Amazon, but it's tricky to get right. This AI tool monitors your competitors in real time and automatically adjusts your prices based on market conditions. Whether a competitor drops their price or demand surges for a product, your pricing will always be optimized for maximum profitability. Imagine no longer having to guess what price to set, as the tool does it for you with precision. But AI doesn't stop there. It can also optimize your Amazon advertising campaigns. Running effective PPC ads can be challenging, especially when trying to balance bids, keywords, and budgets. This tool analyzes the performance of your ads and adjusts them in real time, focusing your spend on the most profitable keywords and cutting down on wasted ad spend. Whether you're running sponsored products or sponsored brands campaigns, the AI will continuously refine your ads, ensuring you get the best return on investment. Customer reviews can make or break your Amazon success, and managing them effectively is another area where AI shines. This tool monitors your reviews and alerts you to any negative feedback immediately, allowing you to address issues before they snowball. It also helps you identify trends in customer sentiment, giving you insights into what your customers love and what needs improvement. By acting on this data, you can enhance your products and customer service, leading to higher ratings and more sales. The AI tool also helps with inventory management. Running out of stock or overstocking can both hurt your business, but keeping track of inventory levels manually can be overwhelming. This tool predicts demand, alerts you when stock is running low, and even helps you avoid excess inventory by forecasting future sales trends. With accurate inventory management, you can avoid costly mistakes and keep your products available for purchase at all times. Finally, let's talk about scalability. One of the best things about using AI in your e-commerce business is how easily it allows you to scale. As your business grows, you'll have more data to analyze and more tasks to manage. This AI tool grows with you, continuously improving its recommendations as it learns from your data. Whether you're managing a handful of products or hundreds, this tool ensures that your business runs smoothly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on expanding and increasing profits. So, there you have it, an AI tool that can optimize your listings, manage pricing, streamline ads, handle reviews, and keep your inventory in check. It's like having a team of experts working for you around the clock, ensuring that your e-commerce business is always one step ahead of the competition. If you're ready to dominate e-commerce with this game-changing AI tool, be sure to check it out and start reaping the benefits today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InfoX for more tech and e-commerce strategies that will help you succeed online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.